You probably heard a lot about Schedule 40 and Schedule 80 PVC conduits. Then what exactly do these terms mean? They both are types of rigid polyvinyl chloride PVC conduits used to protect and early electrical wiring. The schedule refers to the wall thickness, which affects both strength and inner diameter. Schedule 40 is the standard for most residential and light commercial jobs. It's easy to handle, lightweight, and cost-effective. You'll often find it in indoor and outdoor wiring, underground burial, and even concrete encasement. Schedule 80, with its thick wall, is designed for heavy-duty environments like industrial plants or high-traffic areas where the conduits might be exposed to more mechanical stress. Both types offer excellent corrosion resistance, UV stability, and fire performance. And they come in standardized tray sizes, ranging from ½ inch to 60 inches. They share the same outer diameter, so the fittings are interchangeable. However, Schedule 80's thick wall reduces the inner diameter, which affects how many conductors you can install. When selecting conduit size, it's important to consider wire fill capacity. The National Electrical Code NEC Chapter 9 offers tables that help you calculate how many wires can be safely installed in a conduit based on conductor type and size. If you're working with larger wire bundles or need more internal space, Schedule 40 may be more suitable. If strength and protection are your top priority, Schedule 80 is the better choice. In the next video, we'll have a deeper look into the codes and standards requirements for Schedule 40 and 80. Be sure to subscribe and stay informed.